Good morning. It is just after 7 and it is 27 degrees out here. 27 degrees Fahrenheit. For those of you who are not U.S. residents, that is cold, very cold. But I am not bragging for those of you who are getting really severe weather, who are begging and pleading for at least 27 degree weather. But I can honestly say that I am not dredging snow. I am just wiping away frozen boogers. Sorry. But yeah, I feel like crap. I'm coming down with something again. I feel like I am swallowing matches. Yeah. Sorry about that. But yeah, I feel like crap again. Got my monkey butt on the bus. And those stupid little boys are dressed actually warmer today. Amazingly enough. I think it might be the fact that one of them is getting slightly sick. Woohoo! You know how it is. When one little friend gets sick, the other one is going to get it as well. So yeah. But yeah, I'm going to go back home. Dodge the cats. Gargle some water. Die a little bit. Put the cats out of the bedroom. Go back to bed. And when I get back up, I'm going to see about making me a doctor's appointment. Oh, wearing gloves. You know, even in this 27 degree weather, I tell you, these gloves don't feel like crap. Even with my hands in my pockets, my fingers are about to fall off. I've got a pair of those mittens that are supposed to be for like -5 degree weather. Crap. I've even worn them with a pair of gloves. Really. I mean, it's a little extra if you got your hands in your pockets. But it ain't any warmer, that's for sure. I mean, how can I holler, ooh, it's from -5 degree weather? No, it's not. Ain't from -5 nothing. And the boots that I'm wearing, they're the same company. They're also supposed to be for like -15. I think that's what it's supposed to have been. Oh, hell. God, no. I can actually feel the ground through them. I mean, when you're standing on concrete and you can actually feel the cold concrete coming up. No. I don't want shit. Your product ain't worth crap. Especially when they, oh, you're supposed to use this kind of sock. Well, I tell you, I was able to get a package of those socks. They were the men's brand, but they were on clearance. I mean, they're close to my size, a little big. But hey, stick another pair underneath. A little extra installation. Nothing big there. You know, layer. That's a smart thing. But anyway, you layer. Yes, I'm learning to begging. But anyway, you lay your socks, you know, a thin pair, a good heavy thick pair. You put your boots on, and you get to go. Ain't worth shit. I can still feel the cold concrete under my feet. Don't work, people. Well, them ugly little Ugg things, Bought my daughter a pair of them things. No, ain't worth shit. Halfway, let's see. Bought them for Christmas. And it was about January. I want to say January, early February. Ain't worth shit. Now, if she was dragging her feet and rolling and tumbling like a football player, okay. But no, she was wearing on those little dresses, cute little outfits. You know, she was making the whole girly thing out of it. That was her whole idea, was with them boots, make a whole girly thing out of it. Them damn things broke apart. I took them back. Oh, she was too rough on them. She ain't even scared the souls of them. How come she'd be rough on them? We'll have to talk to our store manager. We've been dragging his ass in here. Well, he looked at him. Oh, well, we've been having some problems with this brand. Oh, well, she just got through telling me that my daughter was rough on them. Oh, well, you know how kids are. Yeah. Well. Yeah. Kids. Well, my bitch session is over with, y'all. Kitty, 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 kitty. Little pouty face. Little pouty face. Mama's standing out here. You want your mama so you can run over me like a damn little railroad track. Okay. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go get some sleep. I went to bed at 3, so you know I'm bitchy. Okay, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Stay warm. Y'all too warm. Stay cool. Y'all in snow, dig yourself out. Find you a warm place. Just you'll be good. Y'all like, subscribe, and share. You wanna hear some more bullshit? Y'all be good. Bye, y'all.